Look at that thing. Oh, so pretty.
I was fishing the other day and I had a dragonfly land on my hand as I was fishing, and I was like, oh, there's two of them.
Not this hard last time.
It didn't seem like it, right?
No.
It didn't seem this steep.
Well, all this shit's grown too. This wasn't just overgrown, which is good. You got lots to like brace the whole time.
Oh man.
What?
Definitely picked up a spider there.
I don't know what we're gonna do here.
Time to get those feet wet.
Keeping them in waterproof.
I'm gonna cross here.
You're what?
I'm gonna cross here.
What if it's...
What? What if it's what?
You're gonna step out and it's gonna be deeper than you think and you're gonna fall in.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
No, this is gonna be like 2 feet, 1.5 feet at the most. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, a little something.
A little something, something. Smallmouth. Oh no, that's a creek chub. Little baby creek chub. Look how silver he is. See ya! You got it. You rock climbing or wading?
I'm thinking. I'm probably gonna climb. You know me, I love to climb.
All right, video's on just in case.
I'm planning my attack.
Parkour.
Yeah. I see this going very badly.
All right, there's a smallmouth.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's a cute one.
That's a nice one. All right. Smallmouth number 1.
Huh?
Smallmouth number 1. That's the one we're after. See you, buddy. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. There you go. I just got another bite right here. There we go. Oh, he jumped off. Ooh, there we go. Green sunfish. No! Buddy, relax. All right, we'll let you go.
Bad, but, you know, with your control ass. I'm ankle deep. And 2 inches.
Oh, ho, ho.
Huh? Is your camera on?
Yeah. Big old spider.
Big old spider?
Yeah.
I mean, a snake or two. Okay, I can feel. Oh, I'm wet now. That's my whole ankle. I was dead until we...
Ooh, and a crawdad. Hi there, buddy.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. See a spider? Look at him.
Oh, yeah. Gross.
Oh, there's a fish.
Huh?
See a fish right there. Come on. Yeah, I guess if you're already afraid of bugs, like cicadas are like next level for you.
Yeah.
Because they're so loud and they got those big old creepy eyes.
And they have wings and shit.
Oh, there we go.
But they only live for like what?
Ooh, that's a beautiful long ear.
Oh, a bluegill?
God, a long-eared sunfish.
That's pretty.
They almost look tropical, don't they? Jen wants a tank full of these. And I'm like, yeah, we could do that. Oh, there's something in there.
Oh.
I felt him bite on it and then he let it go.
Like, wait a minute.
I saw the side of his body.
This thing's moving.
Oh! Oh, buddy.
Aww.
Hang on. I got you. I got you.
What is it?
Green sunfish.
Aww. Oh, look at him. One.
No, smallmouth.
Ah.
Oh no, that's a spotted bass. No, yeah, spotted bass. Little baby spot.
He's cute. Guess now you know where the birds hang around here.
This little hole here is loaded with fish. Little baby largemouth. See you, buddy. Thank you, sir. You splashed me.
He's a little guy.
Little nugget.
He's cute. See ya. He hurt?
Nope. He's good.
Oh, damn, he darted off. Whoops.
He's loud. Where is he? Wah, wah, wah.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, damn it. Tried.
I got him for a second.
Sorry. Hey, pretty.
It's pretty. I love the teal in their gills.
Yeah.
Oh,
You got something again?
yeah.
Damn.
Right where I was gonna walk, I was like, I better cast over there first.
See how deep. Is it the same thing?
Yeah,
Sunfish?
he's got nice tiger stripes.
Oh, I found a bone. You learned something from the dumb one today. You got something?
Same thing. This must be full of green sunfish.
We're catching the same dumb one. He's like, oh, something deep. He must figure out.
Okay.
So, you got something? Oh, look at that
Oh,
orange.
look at how bright he is.
Yeah.
These are the fish Jen loves because they're so tropical looking.
Yeah, they're pretty. Go, buddy. Come on, come up out of the water. Oh, what's up in?
Ooh, that's a spotted bass.
Oh, look at that. That's a pretty one. That's long. Or you would think this water, you know.
He's the predator of all the other fish.
He eats all the fish.
Yep. That is a baby largemouth actually. Yep. You can tell. See their dorsal fin?
The little one?
Yeah, these two.
Yeah.
So the spotted bass will have more of a connected dorsal fin, and then they'll have a little rough patch on their tongue, which this one does not. They'll have a little rough patch right there.
He's like, put me back in the fucking water before I die. Did you get something?
Oh my gosh, did you see that? Oh, look at the bigger fish.
Yeah.
That was a bass.
He was trying
Hold
to
on.
grab on.
Let's see if he gets it.
That's me. Look at that poor little guy. He's got a hook in his mouth.
Did you see the size of that bass? Oh my goodness. That thing was huge.
Trying to catch this guy?
Yeah. You'll see that a lot of times where a larger predator fish, when you have, I've even caught bass, big bass, that a bigger bass like went after and tried to follow. Where did he go?
I think it went that way. Oh! Oh, he's wriggling. Do you think they know, hey, this dude's gonna help me out. Let me stop wriggling.
No.
No.
They're like, no, I'm gonna wriggle all of the time.
And is it out?
Yep. Is that all you had, your egg white sandwich?
No, I had a egg white scramble.
Scramble, that's right.
But I just sent me a snap of this kid. She goes, he's canceled. He put milk in his cereal. Who does that? Damn.
That's a big one.
That's your biggest one today.
Yeah.